Welcome to our channel. Activating your Discover employee card by phone is a straightforward process that prepares your card for use. Step 1. Locate the activation phone number printed on the sticker attached to your new Discover employee card. Step 2. Have your card and employee identification ready before calling, as you may need to verify information. Step 3. Dial the toll-free activation number from any phone. There are no charges for this call. Step 4. Listen to the automated system and follow the voice prompts carefully. Step 5. Select the option for employee card activation from the menu choices presented. Step 6. Enter your complete 16-digit card number using your phone's keypad when requested. Step 7. Provide additional verification information, such as the last 4 digits of your Social Security number or your employee ID number. Step 8. The system will ask you to create a 4-digit personal identification number. Choose a PIN you'll remember but others cannot guess. Step 9. Confirm your PIN by entering it again to ensure accuracy. Step 10. Listen for the confirmation message indicating your Discover employee card has been successfully activated. Step 11. Sign the back of your card immediately using a permanent marker in the signature panel. Your Discover employee card is now ready for purchases and can be used wherever Discover cards are accepted. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.